This video is for building hand strength and what you can do to generate play routines and activities that help build strength for your child. This is one video in a large playlist, so please click through to see what appeals to your child. Now, if you have a child that has the fine motor coordination, to use a toy like a Mr. Potato Head. This is an excellent hand strength type of toy because it allows pushing in and pulling out the small pieces. So if your child is able to use this toy and it's appealing, consider Mr. Potato Head as part of a hand strength routine and play with it for about 10 to 15 minutes daily or every other day to help really build in some nice hand strengthening. It's a great toy for this. It's also a great toy for some coordination. So give it a try if this type of toy is appealing for your child.